So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove all the grill sections on the hood. Removing the felt and removing this is two separate deals. You don't have to remove the felt if you want to pull these off and trim black your grills without painting overspraying your car. It's easier to show it to you like this, but obviously on the car you guys can same exact thing. Take a number 8, pull this metal retainer out of the way. It's 4 number 8s. And then this retainer comes out. And then you got more 8s that run along this way for the grill. There's one here, one here. I don't recommend using power tools for this portion of the job. Use your hand tools. If you're familiar with power tools, then go for it, because everything's held on by plastic, so it will break. And then this hood's a little damaged, but this thing should just, teeter-totter its way out. The reason why it's having a little trouble with this is the hood's bent, but let me show you guys once I get it out. There you go. It's held on by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number 8s and this clip right here. And believe it or not, this thing actually made it, so we'll go ahead and reuse this, and then we'll go ahead and put a brand new, I'll show you the other piece that comes off. Now since you got this off, you could unscrew these little screws in here, and then this chrome piece itself comes off, and then you can sand it, scuff it, paint it black, and put it back on. So I flipped the hood around, guys. There's 2 number 8s right here to remove this piece. There's an 8 right here. You can do it with a Phillip, but it looks like these. It's a number 8. Okay, after removing that, here's the tricky part. Since this is damaged, I don't really care about it, how it comes off, but you guys at home probably don't have one that's damaged. You got to get behind here. I mean, it takes a little bit of. Let me show you, so it makes more sense. There's a bunch of clips, and like I would try to get it from underneath here. It's so you don't do it from here, because if you do from here, you're gonna damage the hood paint. So try to get in through here, and if you can, let me show you guys once I get this thing off. And I'm getting it off by manhandling it because I really don't care for it. But I'm going to show you guys the important. You see? These guys, if you get it from up here on the hood, you're going to damage this, and you're going to damage the lip of the chrome. But you see how these are all broken? Like this. This one actually, no, that one's broken, that one's broken, that one's broken, that one's broken, they're all broken. If you manhandle it, you're going to break every single one of them. What I recommend doing, you'll end up like this. Get underneath here. You can kind of see where these guys are. Stick your clip remover and kind of just pop these guys open upwards like this. Because if you just, like I just did, you're going to break every single one of these, and then you're going to spend $70 at the dealer for one of these guys. So be very careful when removing this. I break these all the time. Sometimes a few tabs break. I'll just put a little bit of glue right here and push it back on, and it will work. If you break 1 or 2, it's not the end of the world. It's still reusable. But if you have OCD, just go and buy a new one. My next video, I'll show you guys how to put this stuff all back on. We'll get the car back from paint Monday, and we'll go from there. Enjoy the weekend.